Now, granted, the property that I hunted back east was like a small little pocket, so the bucks really only kind of went in there to check for does, and then they were out. And so it was, um, one little pocket. Whereas out here, there's two properties that are of significant size, so it's a lot more area that I can cover. And so I saw a lot more deer kind of out cruising, a lot more vocal out here. The bucks, I heard three different bucks snort wheeze, which was the first snort wheezes I've ever heard in my hunting. So the buck I shot actually snort wheezed just before I shot him. So it's really cool in the video. Like you'll see him, he comes out of the thicket, he snort wheezes, walks into a scrape, and starts to use the scrape, but I shoot him before he can finish using the scrape.